2024 has been a remarkable year for gold investors, with prices reaching all-time highs following a significant breakout early in the year. This is why now is the perfect time to position your portfolio for 2025. Lower interest rates and escalating geopolitical tensions in 2024 further deepened global divisions. Supply constraints for most metals persisted, reinforcing expectations for strong metal prices in 2025, with uranium and gold bull markets set to gain further momentum. Let's dive into the upcoming commodities bull market in 2025. Nuclear power provides carbon-free, stable, and reliable baseload electricity. The push for net zero emissions policies is a major driver of future uranium demand and the resurgence of nuclear energy. Significant investments by US technology companies in small modular reactor companies underscore nuclear's importance in supporting the growth of AI-driven data centers. At COP29, the goal of tripling nuclear energy generation by 2050 gained further traction, building on the momentum from COP28. Additional nations committed to this initiative in 2024. This effort complements Japanese reactor restarts, lifetime extensions for reactors worldwide, and China's ambitious nuclear expansion, which is set to accelerate in the latter half of the decade. Many other nations have announced new nuclear build programs, further boosting demand. These factors suggest stronger uranium demand than currently projected by the World Nuclear Association. On the supply side, production restarts are facing delays due to labor shortages, rising costs, financing hurdles, and supply chain challenges. Many restarts encountered setbacks during their 2024 ramp-up, resulting in reduced production guidance for 2025. Geopolitical developments in Niger and Kazakhstan have heightened the urgency for Western utilities to secure supply from stable jurisdictions. We believe supply-side projections are overly optimistic. When paired with strengthening demand, this creates a robust foundation for a healthy uranium market in 2025 and beyond. Geopolitical tensions are expected to sustain strong Asian demand for gold well into 2025. Combined with lower US interest rates, this will drive significant momentum in gold prices. Central banks have been strong buyers in 2024, and we expect this trend to persist throughout the decade. On the financial side, rising government and corporate debt requiring refinancing is placing additional strain on major currencies and the banking system. These pressures are raising investor concerns about the global financial system's stability, potentially triggering hyperinflation later this decade as confidence in fiat currencies diminishes. All of the above will expedite the return of investors to gold in 2025. For those seeking greater leverage in precious metals, silver is worth consideration. Following 6 years of supply deficits, the silver market is poised for a price increase to incentivize higher production and meet growing demand. Mining equities have faced a challenging environment, with higher interest rates and rising labor, material, and energy costs driving valuations to record lows relative to gold. However, we anticipate a reversal of this trend in 2025. Value investors will likely be drawn to the sector, capitalizing on bargains during the current tax loss selling season and increasing their holdings into 2025. On the corporate side, mining M&A activity picked up significantly in 2024, a positive signal for the sector. The gold price breakout in 2024, coupled with the end of US interest rate hikes, could lay the groundwork for a sustainable bull run in mining equities over the coming years. We anticipate easing interest rates and a strong start for metal prices in 2025, paving the way for higher prices throughout the decade. Uranium's established price momentum is expected to accelerate further, reaching new all-time highs in 2025. Gold's uptrend will likely continue, leading to record highs against all major currencies. Now is the time to initiate or increase exposure to the commodities sector in anticipation of a strong 2025 for metals. Invest in the clean energy future. Invest with Torque Capital Management.